Hello everyone, welcome to Edu Yourself. In this video, we are going to see how to add a post function on a workflow. Alright, and we are going to see the use case number 1. The post function, it states update issue custom field. What does it mean exactly? Let's navigate directly to the Jira instance. And let's take one of the project as an example, and it's going to be development project. The issue type is going to be bug issue type. Alright, and let me quickly write the summary of what exactly the post function we are talking about. As soon as the issue transitioned from to do to in progress, automatically there is a custom field called environment Jira field value to be updated to one of the value called server. Alright, as we can see, there are multiple values in this particular custom field called environment Jira, server, data center and cloud. Now as soon as the issue gets created and when the user tries to move the workflow status from either to do or open to in progress based upon the workflow, right exactly on the in progress transition, like after it happened, the custom field value should automatically be updated to one of the option called server. So that should be the requirement. Now imagine that I have chosen a data center or a Atlassian cloud randomly, and let me click on create and let me open the issue. And now let me move the workflow from open to in progress. I can see the value of the environment Jira custom field is currently data center. Now let me click on it. Now the issue has been transitioned to in progress and I still see the environment Jira custom field value is data center. But here I would like to keep one of the post function so that whenever the issue is moved to in progress, no matter what other value has been lied in the environment Jira custom field, it will be automatically updated to the value server, and that should be the requirement. It can be applied on any custom field on any particular scenarios, but randomly I have picked one of the example just to show you how the post function will work in the Jira workflow transition. I hope everybody understand the requirement, right? So in order to keep the post function, let me directly open another tab. We are talking about the development project, so let me navigate to the project settings. Let me open the workflows. We are talking about the issue type called bug and BH bug workflow. Here we are going to add the post function. So let me click on edit. Always remember, whenever we make changes to the workflow, we have to make sure that this particular workflow is being shared not more than one project. If it is shared by more than one project, the changes will be impacted to the remaining projects as well. In those scenarios, we have to take the copy of the workflow and then we have to map it back to the issue type via correct workflow scheme. And now it is being shared by only one project. So let me quickly click on the diagram mode. And we are talking about the transition which is passing from open status to in progress. So on this particular transition, I would like to keep a post function because once the issue has been moved from open to in progress, the environment field will be automatically updated to server value. So let me click on post functions and we have landed into this page where we can see from status to status and the name of the transition. We are currently in the post functions, and by clicking on add post function, we can see all the options given by Jira, out of which we have to choose one of the post function, which is update issue custom field. So let me click on add. And here, out of all the custom fields in Jira, we have to search for the right custom field where we would like to make the changes. So I have chosen environment Jira custom field, and I want to update the value to server because it is one of the options that we have in the environment Jira, right? I can see the option server. So automatically the issue needs to be updated to server. So coming back to the transition page, I have updated the custom field value to server, and let me click on add. Alright, as we can see, from open status to in progress there is a post function. The environment Jira custom field of the issue will be set to server automatically once the issue has been transitioned from open to in progress. And now let me click on publish draft. Let me not save the workflow. Alright, now the draft workflow is active. So let me quickly create one of the issue, and let me take the summary from the previous issue and let me paste it. Now randomly let me choose any value other than server. We can choose multiple values, right? Because it is a checkbox where we can choose more than one value at a time. Let me quickly click on create. An issue has been created. Let me open the issue. We are currently on the view issues screen, and now we are in open. And now when I move the status from open to in progress, no matter what values are lying in the environment Jira custom field, it will be automatically updated to server because that is a post function which we have written in the backend. Now let me quickly click on in progress. As I can see, the remaining two values has been disappeared or removed, and only the server value has been updated right before the environment Jira custom field. And this is how we can make a use of the update issue custom field on the Jira workflow transitions using a post function. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends. And please do not forget to subscribe to EdYourself for many more good videos. And I'll see you all in the upcoming video shortly. Thank you.